In today's digitally connected world, prosperity and development is now defined by economic growth driven by innovation. At DICE Foundation, we aim to see Pakistan as one of the most socially, technologically, and economically prosperous nations in the world.
Over the last 14 years, DICE has created 7 innovation platforms in the area of automotive, energy, health, agriculture, textile, IT, and creative arts and media. On all of these platforms, every year we have hundreds of innovations which are exhibited on these platforms from all over Pakistan and various stakeholders. Currently, we are working on 4 National Innovation Basket projects, design and development of Pakistan's own indigenous electric vehicle, design and development of batteries, battery packs, development of Pakistan's own digital platform, Rinstra, which we have already launched December 2020. And finally, we are working on a project for farmers called Jadid Kisan.
DICE Creative Art and Media, or CAM, is an initiative that aims to promote a culture of creative innovation and entrepreneurship in Pakistan.
As a member of DICE Foundation, we've been working with different industries and academic institutions in Pakistan for the last 14 years. A few years ago, we discussed the state of the media industry in Pakistan, and we thought that the media industry could become a pillar of Pakistan's economy, and that's when we created the Creative Arts and Media platform for DICE.
The mission of DICE Creative Arts and Media, CAM for short, is to position art, design, film, and other creative fields as a key economic, cultural, and social pillar that will uplift Pakistan. The goal of DICE CAM is to create a shift in Pakistan from a society of followers and consumers of global trends to that of global innovators, producers, and leaders in the CAM sector. Some of the key objectives of DICE CAM are to foster a culture of CAM-based innovation and entrepreneurship in the country and make it part of Pakistan's social, economic, and cultural DNA. It is to establish a strong linkage between academia, industry, and community in order to promote a culture of creativity and innovations in the country.
Where DICE-CAM will create ways to groom and improve the skills and abilities of students who choose filmmaking and other creative forms of expression. We will conduct training workshops. We've already started a platform called Rinstra, which is sort of a combo of OTT and YouTube. Students will get to showcase their work, enter competitions, and work on real productions both in Pakistan and outside in the other parts of the world. In another effort, DICE-CAM is trying to communicate with the government to establish and accept media as an industry in Pakistan.
Pakistan's first short-form digital media platform. Rinstra provides global audiences with content that is innovative, entertaining, thought-provoking, informative, and educational.
So Rinstra is Pakistan's first digital media platform. It's a short-form video platform, and our aim target the youth of Pakistan. So far, if you look at the media landscape in Pakistan, there is really no true digital media platform which we can call Pakistan's own. And the problem with that is when we use or when we expose our youth to the foreign digital media properties, then we don't own the narrative. So the narrative is owned by the Google, Netflix, and the Amazon of the world. The major change we want to bring through Rinstra is to change that narrative.
Conclusion. As we continue to progress towards economic development, we at DICE are determined to make innovation a part of our DNA as a nation. With our structured approach to creating a culture of innovation in Pakistan, DICE hopes to initiate change through a powerful national innovation system to bring a digital revolution across every industry in Pakistan.
Here I would like to make a request, humble request to all expatriates all across the world and thought leaders within Pakistan and our youth to join this DICE mission. we as a nation, we can actually transform Pakistan in a matter of one generation. We can make it as a technologically developed nation, country within one generation, within our lifetime. And that is what our mission is.